Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today it's Monday morning. Here is my precious baby Mina. Hi baby, my little angel. Oh, I love her so much. I just made my first cup of coffee of today. I woke up at like 8 a.m. I think. I did some things around the house. I always do that in the morning because I like to just get it over with and enjoy the rest of my day. So that's why. Hi, baby. And later today, I am planning on going for a little walk outside because it's a beautiful sunny day, which makes me so happy. And I just want to soak up as much sun as I can. And for now, I wanted to show you what I got this weekend and what just came in because Ariana did a collaboration with Swarovski. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but anyway, I ordered the heart earrings on launch day and they just came in. But this weekend when I was in the city center, I decided to stop by the store, and my husband was so sweet to give me the necklace, the matching necklace. So that is what I wanted to show you right now. I'm still in my pajamas, please don't mind that, but it's still the morning. But look at this packaging! Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Even just having this makes me so happy already. It's beautiful and pink, of course. Such a happy girl right now. I am so happy with the choices I made because I really loved everything in the collection except for that weird little head crown. I'm not sure what that was, but nonetheless I really loved everything. But I just know that these pieces will be in my jewelry collection forever. I will cherish them forever. They're so special, so classy, and I just know I will love these and love wearing these forever. I already did my skincare this morning, but I forgot to show you, so I thought I'd show you now. When I wake up, I first brush my teeth. After that, I wash my face with this mousse from Chanel. I have been using it over 2 years now, I believe, and it's my favorite. It gives your face that fresh feeling, but doesn't dry out your skin. It's really good. I highly recommend it. After I wash my face, I either use this Pixie Glow Tonic or this Lancome Tonic. It really depends on what my skin needs. When my skin feels a bit dry, I'd like to use this because it's very hydrating. And when I just want that fresh feeling and it doesn't need that much hydration, I use the Pixie Glow Tonic. The next step is my serum. It's this one from The Ordinary. I randomly started using this a few years ago and I never stopped. It's almost empty, so I have to order a new one. And my current favorite day cream is this one, the Camellia Water Cream from Chanel. It's so good. I love it. This is also one of my favorites for years now. Everything I ever bought from Chanel, their skincare line, is great. Doesn't dry out your face. This one gives a beautiful extra glow, and I just love it so much. A beautiful unboxing mess. I am going to make my second cup of coffee now. I cannot live without. By the way, how beautiful are these roses? They are from my local florist. They always have the prettiest roses and flowers. They never disappoint. But I am so in love and I just want to take like 1,000 pictures of them before they go. But they're so beautiful. I love them. The color is so pretty and unique as well. It's like in between purple and pink, but it's so pretty. So I am going to get ready now. I am going to do my makeup and get dressed after this and enjoying my second cup of coffee while doing it. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but Mina is running around the house like a crazy cat. Anyway, I start by using my Anastasia Brow Freeze, another product that I haven't been using for years. I love it. So that's what I am going to do now with this little pencil. It's also from Anastasia, I believe, yes. So the next thing I use is this REM Cooling Blurring Under Eye Balm. I really love it. It is really blurring. My eyes tend to get really dry, or not my eyes, but like the spot under my eyes. So when I will apply foundation or concealer to it, it will just get this really greasy look really fast. And this is really good for that. So I really want the new pink one they have, but I told myself I would get it after I finish this one, which is going pretty well so far. I do use it every day, so who knows when that will be. So my current favorite foundation is this Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint Hydrating Foundation Stick from Charlotte Tilbury. It's in the shade 5 Medium. Not that you can see how it looks on my face, but I promise it looks good. That was Mina hopping around. She's been running the house like a crazy person. A crazy cat. This is really good. I really love it. It gives you a beautiful glow. It doesn't look too cakey, which I like. And yeah, I have been using it for I think a month or two now, and it is my favorite, so I will be restocking this very soon. I also wanted to ask what kind of YouTube video you would like to see next from me, or do you want me to do a Q&A sometime? I did see a few comments saying they want a room tour and a house tour. I will do that this week. I'm not sure when I will upload it, but I will vlog or record it this week. So that is on its way. But please let me know in the comments what else you would like to see from me. Thank you! We also have this Charlotte Tilbury powder. It's the Airbrush Flawless Finish. It's really good. It gives you that, matte finish, I would say. Ooh. I do not use this every day, but when I feel like my skin is a little bit oily or too glowy, I like to apply a little bit of this. So that is what we're doing. Also, this brush is from Sculpted by Amy. I saw it once online and I love it so much. I have to clean it though. But so the last step in my everyday makeup routine is my eyelash curler and these two. This is the Dior Show Maximizer 3D. It's a primer, a lash primer. Another holy grail I have been using for years, and I really love it so much. I'm really, as you might have noticed, if I like a product, I will use it for years. Hi Mina! Say hi to the vlog! I'm not sure if you can see her. She's in my drawer right now. Anyway, I really like it. And for mascara, I am using this one, the Push Up Lashes from Charlotte Tilbury. I love the brand so much. I never bought anything from them that I did not like, so really recommend trying if you didn't. So I am back home from my walk and I'm going to take the rest of the day and night to relax and watch a movie with my husband together, make some dinner, and I'm going to close the vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know what you would like to see next. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Love you, bye!